Hello friends, welcome to Daring Mariner YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about indicator diagram and MEO class for similar questions. Why it is not possible to take power card in 4-stroke engine? Power card is taken at firing top dead center, but in 4-stroke engine, piston is twice at the TDC position in one cycle. So the indicator card is not able to recognize firing TDC. Hence, there are chances of error in power card, so power card is not taken in 4-stroke engine. For more marine related topics, do like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit notification button. This is the MEO function class for miscellaneous question. What is the significance of different types of indicator card? Different types of indicator diagram and their purpose. Power card. To calculate the indicator power, it also shows peak pressure. It is taken in phase with piston movement with fuel on. We can see that in the figure, the maximum pressure and indicator power. We can, using this power card, we can find the indicator power. Draw card, that is 90 degree out of phase, similar to power card but taken with the indicator drum rotating 90 degree out of the phase with fuel on. It shows maximum pressure, more accurately maximum compression and ignition delay period, that is nature of expansion curve. It also shows combustion process early on, late combustion. To evaluate fuel injection process, ignition delay, fuel quality, combustion loss of compression, expansion process, fuel pump timing and after burning. Here we can see that maximum pressure, combustion pressure and the base, that is atmospheric lane. Then compression diagram. It is only a lane on the indicator diagram and gives the compression pressure and a timing check on the indicator card. It is taken in phase with the fuel cutoff and reduce RPM. We can see the compression diagram, the compression pressure, the cam rotating. Lead spring diagram. It is taken to similar a power card and in phase with engine, but with the late compression spring fitted to the indicator. It shows the pressure variations during the exhaust and scavenging operation. That is a lead spring diagram. We can see that exhaust and compression base atmosphere lane. Pressure derivative card. It shows the maximum rate of pressure rise and the point of injection. It is used to highlight ignition delay. This is a function for MEO class 4 question. What is the procedure to take indicator diagram? Let's see what are the procedures. Procedure to take indicator diagram. First one, wear proper PPE, especially high temperature gloves and eye protection. We know safety first, so that's we are taking PPE. Next, take the reading of all relevant engine parameters. Third, ensure the ship and its engine is running at constant speed in open sea. Fourth, ensure the weather is calm. Fifth, check whether the spring fitted on the indicator instrument will meet the peak pressure to be expected, that is maximum pressure of engine. 6. Stretch diagram paper firmly over the drum. 7. Use correct tool to open the indicator cock valve. 8. Before taking the diagram, open indicator cock. 2 or 3 firing strokes to blow out soot and combustion residues in the cock. 9. After drawing atmospheric pressure line, hook the cord to indicator drive, open indicator cock and take power diagram and shut the cock. 10. Remove hook, turn the drum by hand to a place clear from the power diagram to compression pressure lane with fuel cutoff. 11. Having taken indicator diagram from all cylinders, open the indicator instrument and clean all parts, especially the piston thoroughly. After cleaning, apply high temperature grease into the surface of all parts. We have to note down, do not allow the indicator instrument to become overheated by too many firing strokes, as it will affect the instrument's accuracy. Next, miscellaneous questions, MEO class 4. What is the purpose of indicator diagram? Which indicator card is taken first? Indicator diagrams. The diagrams indicating simultaneously the pressure and the relative position of the piston in engine cylinder are known as indicator diagrams. The purpose of indicator cards are to enable the evaluation of power developed in each engine cylinder, to highlighting conditions during the fuel injection, combustion and after burning, to highlight conditions prevailing in the cylinder during the scavenge exhaust gas exchange process, to show the pressure variations in the cylinder with respect to piston displacements. Which indicator diagram card is taken first? We know that combustion card is taken first to check the timing of the indicator cam Otherwise, if the timing of cam is wrong, our results will also be wrong. So combustion cut should be taken first in an indicator diagram. Compression diagram. It is only a lane on the indicator diagram and gives the combustion pressure and timing check on the indicator cam. It is taken in phase with fuel cutoff and at a reduced RPM. We know that compression cut is a single lane, so any deviation from the lane shows the fault with instrument, so we have to correct the timing of indicator cam. For more marine related topics, do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more instant updates from my video. Thank you.